Hi, if you want to download WhatsApp on your iPhone 16, then you will need to find this App Store app first and open it. In this app, we can install many other applications, and on the bottom of the screen, you can see some sections as Today, Games, Apps, Arcade, and Search one. So if you want to download WhatsApp, you can just find it in the Apps section, or you can use the search bar and type in the name of the app manually, and then you'll see it right here. So to install this app, we will need to select this Get button, and then we will need to double click to install, and it will require our Face ID or the password. And now we are simply waiting a couple of seconds till it will be installed. And yes, now it is downloaded and we can open it by tapping this button. And also this app you'll be able to find on your homepage or in the app library right here in the recently added. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.